What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Make money with HRC. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Before I go ahead and jump into the video, let's go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the comments, hit every button. Just let's go ahead and do the damn thing. But I hope you guys love these videos that I'm putting out. And if you have any suggestions, definitely please do let me know. So by the way, my computer's probably gonna sound like it's blowing up because I'm currently uploading a video. But let's go ahead and jump on into this video here. So a couple of weeks ago, I did go ahead and I did a video on the new Aliexpress. Well, it's not new, but a lot of people might not have known about it, that they actually have fulfillment centers here in the US. So with them having fulfillment centers in the US, you are able to get your products a tad bit faster. Now, how much faster? We're actually gonna find out, because I would like to make sure that I actually test some of these things out, that I'm telling people like, yeah, sure, you can make money, but I've never done it. So I want to make sure that anything that I'm going to recommend to anyone that's watching my videos, or anyone that is looking to get into something, then at least you know what to expect, right? So I went ahead, took the liberty of ordering a ring light, because I've been wanting a ring light. Right? And of course, we all know what the ring lights are, the LED ring lights. We also know how expensive these ring lights could possibly be. So because of how expensive they are, I personally haven't made an effort to get one. Of course, I had special specifications that I wanted for this ring light, and if you know me, you know I do everything unfortunately big, and maybe that is a very bad it's just a very bad trait that if not all Tauruses have it, some of us have it, where it's like we want what we want when we want it, and if I gotta think about it too hard, then y'all don't want to know. So I've been wanting to get a ring light for the longest, and I'm a very frugal spender. So I sat there and I did the math and I worked it out. And I'm like, I bet I could put this on, my Walmart card because. And then I'm like, but I really don't like using my card because. And then I'm like, oh, I could put on my Best Buy. So I sat there and I had a back and forth. And I'm not gonna lie, the day when I did the video about Aliexpress and drop shipping, and them having the warehouse options that are located here in the US, the light bulb went on, which I think I also pulled up in the video. I think it was the same light that's in the video that had those options. I don't recall. I should have took screenshots, you would think, right? So here it is. I went ahead, I found the product, and I was super excited because a lot of times, and I think it's actually in the video if I'm not mistaken. So I was showing the difference of when you click on China, certain options just aren't available depending on where you're shipping from. So if you want the full product, most of the times you have to go to China. But if you want bits and pieces of the product, and if it's available in the US, you're able to get those products. So with that being said, I found a ring light that it wasn't the perfect ring light, but it was gonna work. You get what I'm saying? Plus, on top of that, it was well within my budget. So here it is. I went from a $150 ring light before tax to a $20 ring light after tax. It was like 20 something dollars after tax. So I was actually super excited that I was able to find this ring light. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the video, because now we got to find out where the hell this ring light is at, right? So am I even recording? Okay, nope. I don't know what's going on with me today, but I promise you I'm gonna get it right. Record. Are we good to go? All right, we're good to go. So let's go ahead and jump into the video now. I'm on the wrong screen. Ali. Oh, look at that. That's the ring light that I actually ordered. Wow. All right, so we're gonna get back to that screen because I actually see some discrepancies there already. All right, Aliexpress. Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna bring up the fact that if you've seen the old Aliexpress website and you've seen the new one, you see the differences right off the back with the website. It's not as clustered as it used to be, at least in my in my observation. I think I kind of like it a little bit more. I think it's somewhat more put together, as you can see. So it's actually pretty dope. You know, they're showing you all their new arrivals. I really like the layout. Future, like this is pretty badass. Not gonna lie, I like it. And I guess here you just have your miscellaneous stuff. Wow, this is $9.12. Crazy, because I think I paid like $5, $6 for the same exact set at Marshall's. Yeah, if someone was having a baby shower, bought it, never made it to the person. Clearly that tells you how much of a spender I could possibly be with useless things. So, oh, and another thing that I love, based on the category that you select, not only does it come up with the different options that are available within the rim, but it also has the companies on the side. So you could actually go ahead and just click on a quick company. So let's see, if we click on iPhones, you could access it from here. Now it's going to take you into all the iPhones, right? Or check this out. Go back and click here. But now it's also on the side. So on the side, I could actually go ahead and click on the person that I want. Is going to take me to their store. I think that's actually pretty badass also. So let's go ahead and jump into our main reason for actually wanting to be here. Oh, I'm already signed in. Perfect. All right, so I went ahead, and I'm not gonna lie, the idea came to me after I made the video on, I think, drop shipping, I think it was, and, you know, just shipping and everything else. And it hit me. I was like, wait, I just told them that Aliexpress is doing faster shipping. Why don't I just order my ring light through Aliexpress? So with that being said, got on here, found a ring light, and you know what stood out to me was the cost of the ring light itself. So I was super excited with the cost, and of course I hopped on it. Why not? All right, now my ring light in total was let's go ahead and hit down, was $20.34, and I'm elated with that. I'm more than happy with that cost. All right, now here it is, all the information. I placed the order on April 30th. It's now May 8th. So we're looking at about a 6 to 7 day difference there. We're gonna go ahead, hit view details, see what comes up. So it's saying that the order was shipped, which is perfect. Now, here it is. Should arrive within 4 to 7 business days. I wonder what happened there. So, you know, at the top it has it to where it would say that if it's holiday hours, then it's 5 to 12 days in due to the Chinese New Year. We're not even in a holiday type of predicament right now. I know that a lot of people that buy and sell, they were having issues a couple of weeks ago, including myself, with packages being held in China, and they finally got released. And I'm not gonna lie, the day that they got released, I had a package that I ordered on the 26th. Packages didn't get released until May 1st. By May 4th, that package was at my door. So what's going on here? You get what I'm saying? Like, that is crazy. I don't know if it's because that package came through DHL VIP or Express, whatever it is, but I was able to get that package super fast the minute they went ahead and started shipping out packages. So here it is. It's telling me that, you know, within 4 to 7 days, I should have already had the package. So technically speaking, I should have already had the package. If your order does not arrive on 6/9/2020, I could actually go ahead and apply for a refund. Great. So yeah, right now I really don't know how I'm supposed to feel because the simple fact of I went ahead and I ordered this product, right? So here it is now. For logistics purposes, it's showing that on 5/3 it basically left China. Now, one or two things here is wrong. Not only am I getting my package late, it's past, you know, the 4 to 7 days that I should have gotten the package, but when I first went ahead and placed the order, the package literally, I think they had like 5 different options. It was like Russia, China, USA, all these different places that I had options to select from. Now here it is. I'm actually looking at my order and I don't think it's coming from the US anymore, right? So here is the lamp that I ordered, and the price actually was a lot cheaper than what it is now. And ship from, I had a lot more options. So that's actually quite crazy. Like, wow. I don't even know how I feel right now, like legit. So yeah, now it's saying, you know, it's shipping to the US. Wow, that is crazy. Okay, so I guess the item, I have no idea how to feel right now. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, I'm not gonna open a dispute because I really want the ring light. I've been wanting a ring light. And with that being said, I am politely, more than likely, gonna copy this, and we're just gonna go ahead and send a message, which I think I've already sent a message to the seller, if I'm not mistaken. Quite sure I did, I just can't remember. See, I even went ahead, yeah. And he said I wanted a drop ship item. He said okay. So here it is. He said okay. Yeah, 4:30 and 151. So maybe he did that. Order on red. Alright, so hey, I wanted to find out the display. Oh my gosh. The disposition for the package, because USA center, no, it's coming from China. Was that a mistake? Now I'm just being petty because I'm really trying to figure out like what happened. You know, I specifically got this package, or I specifically got this ring light because A, it was a good price. B, they said I would have had it within you know, what was that? I think like 3 to 5 or 3 to 7 business days. And I thought I was winning, and now I don't think I'm winning anymore because I think I got punked. So with that being said, hopefully he actually does reply. If he does reply, that'd be fantastic, but I'll keep you guys posted on what takes place here. But you know, moral of the story is, even if the person tells you that they're shipping from the US, you know, I wouldn't fully guarantee that they're actually shipping from the US, especially from firsthand experience, because I specifically went and I found one that said, you know, that they have this product, it's in the US, I'm gonna get it within X amount of days, and this is where we're at now. So definitely just keep a lookout for stuff like that. I just think that is crazy that I now have to wait until whenever to get this package. But definitely I'll let y'all know what takes place. So I'll see you guys in the next video.